Welcome, everybody. College football action. This is my somebody's going to pay for that shit game, and I mean that with all due respect. I started thinking about it as the year went on, and there were teams that got beat the week before and took it out the next week. So somebody's going to pay for it, and I believe that game this week is the Stanford Cardinals at home against California. I love this. That loss to Oregon really got in the crawl of Stanford, and should have. Their defense fell apart, and this is a team that is built on defense. So in this game, I love the first half because they're at home. They're going to be pissed off and they're going to take it out on Cal. The first half is -7. Now the game itself at BetCris came out -12. It's dropped all the way to 10.5. All right, the total is 64.5, and it has stayed the same. The value, and I think now the books see the value in the first half, as -7. So make sure you place your bet on Stanford on the first half, -7 at home against Cal. Cal buried Oregon State last week, and yes, their quarterback Jared Goff had a huge game, 453 yards, 6 touchdown passes. But I think the buck stops there. All right, yes, he's talented. This is a good team. But Stanford will make the adjustments necessary on defense to stand up this week and to kick some ass. So I love Stanford this week in the first half, -7. College football, don't miss it.